NCQMS Siasin from Sate College NCC Unit 8 Maharashtra Girls Battalion Mumbai is here to introduce you towards joining NCC. NCC stands for National Cadet Corps. It is the largest uniform youth organization. Its motto is unity and discipline. It's a tri-service organization comprising the Navy, Army and Air Force wing. It is a voluntary organization that recruits cadets from schools, colleges and universities who meet the eligibility criteria. The first benefit of NCC is to gain B and C certificate. The C certificate is the most important certificate of NCC training. In every regular course of the Indian Military Academy, IMA, 32 vacancies are reserved for the C certificate NCC candidates by undergoing to the selections from Services Selection Board. The cadets with A or B grade in C certificate are exempted from CDS examination conducted by UPSC. NCC C certificate also offers you 10 to 15 bonus marks in paramilitary forces recruitment, that is BSF, CISF, CRPF, SSB, etc. It is also a golden opportunity for the candidates to join defense forces, as these candidates are exempted from giving the common entrance exams and are called directly for SSB. Physical training. NCC gives regular training parades conducted once in a week as institutional training, the contents of which are mixed bag of military and non-military subjects. It helps to develop character, comradeship, discipline, leadership, secular outlook, spirit of adventure, sportsmanship, and ideals of selfless services among the youth of the country.
I, LCPL Nitish Chavan of Sate College, will tell you about NCC camps. In NCC, you get to know about many different camps which not only excite you but also develop your leadership, self-defense, teamwork and self-confidence. While you are enrolled as a regular cadet, each cadet has to compulsorily attend one combined annual training camp of 10 days, each for his or her B and C certificate examination. Along with, he can also attend any other camps such as CATC, RDC, TSC, Army, Navy, Air Force, attachment camps or even rock climbing camps. The next topic is conduct of social service activities. The NCC has adopted community development activities with the aim of inculcating habits of selfless community service. The cadets are actively involved in organizing various social service activities such as cleanliness drive, yoga day, tree plantation, blood donation, road safety, anti-dowry rally, disaster management, and etc. These activities lead to introduction of leadership skills, dignity of labor, event management skills, and etc. So, grab this opportunity and enroll yourself to feel the passion of defense.